Just 1 month ago, residents here worried about safety every single day. Then Securizen upgraded their entire security with smart CCTV and intelligent access control. Now, residents simply walk in. The system recognizes them instantly and unlocks the door in seconds. Visitors, they simply call your apartment, and you unlock the door with one tap. Even when you are away, the system calls your phone. See, talk, and unlock, anytime, anywhere. Maid or delivery access, Fingerprint access lets you control who enters, and when. And with Inbuilt Intercom, residents stay connected within the society itself. In just 1 month, this society became safer, smarter, and completely worry-free. Securizen, you are in safe hands.